I did my trapezoidals, I did my midpoint boxes, and I got 3.875. So if you look back at that range that we said the true area would be in, that midpoint box does produce a number in that range. So 3.875 is probably getting closer, because you notice there's not as much error with the midpoint boxes. Alright, so let's go ahead and do one. This isn't a true Riemann sum, but it's similar in nature in that we are calculating with subintervals. So it's a good time to learn it. Trapezoidal sums. So we're leaving our rectangles for our trapezoids. So same problem, we'll see what kind of answer we get here. And for subintervals, it's y equals x cubed. The area under the curve approximating with trapezoids. So I'm going to create a dot where my subintervals meet the curve, and from those dots, those points, I'm going to create trapezoids. Except for this one really is a rectangle. Triangle. Alright, so recalling again, the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the height, base 1 plus base 2. Alright, we will then start down the row. Here, the first one, we have 1/2 the height, you'll recall, is the width of our subinterval, because our trapezoids are sort of up on their sides. So the height is this part, which is 1/2. So 1/2 from the formula, 1/2 from the height. And then base 1 is, the first base is f of 0, 0's cubed. And the next base is, remember this is 1, this is 1/2, this is 1.5, and this is 2. So therefore, base 2 of this first almost trapezoid has, the other base is 1/2 cubed. Alright, so then so we did this actually degenerated trapezoid. So now to a real trapezoid that has 2 bases and a height. So we have 1/2 from the formula, 1/2 from the height of our trapezoid, and then base 1 is when we put in 1/2 again into the formula, which is cubed. Up here we just cube everything, and plus base 2 for this one is 1 cubed. Alright, plus, so I finished this one, 1/2 times 1/2, I'm going to grab this base, 1 cubed, and this base, 3/2 cubed. Then last, we have 1/2, 1/2. This base is 3/2 cubed. And this base is 2 cubed. Alright, so I plugged all that in, and what did I get? I don't know again. Why can't I follow it after I did it? Alright, I think I did find it. Except I put some wrong numbers in, so... Alright, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to close this down again and calculate again. Why don't you calculate and confirm with me? So I'll be back on part 4. At least the parts are short. Alright, be right back.